Hi friends, and welcome to day 2 of introductions for our September 2025 celebration release. Today we are introducing A Little Wish and its coordinating creative cuts, as well as the 5 window frame creative cuts. Now let's take a look at the stamps first. We have 5 different critters as well as 7 different sentiments to go along with them. And all of our sweet critters are holding Christmas trees or candles. In this video, I will color the little reindeer with the sweet little Christmas tree in its paws. And you can find the Copic color numbers in the description box below. to finish the coloring, I'm adding some white gel pen accents. Now the coloring is done, let's look at the 5-window frame Creative Cuts. This frame does what it says on the tin. It creates 5 different windows. And as you can see, I cut it from a couple of different types of cardstock, so I could show you just how many different combinations you can make with this 5-window frame. You can use this die both in portrait and in landscape cards. I'm making a standard sized A2 card and I'm covering my panel with this beautiful piece of pattern paper. I'm using one of the sentiments included in the Jolly Balloons stamp set I introduced yesterday, and I wanted to frame my sentiment with these leaves from the Holly and Leaves stamp set. I'm adhering my window to my card panel and then we can decorate our card. I add the sentiment first and later I will be adding in the images in the different windows that the 5-window frame creates. And that finishes our card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. And I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of introductions. This release is available from the 15th of September. Bye!